Usually when people have several lawyers before me, I'm usually very hesitant to take the case. He told me that the other lawyers wanted to settle this case for $50,000, $60,000 tops. He came in, I sat down with him, I talked with him. At the time that he came in, he looked pretty much okay. He brought his medical records in. I looked at his medical records and I said to him, "Sir, I'm sorry, but the boat is being missed on your case. You have something that the first lawyer missed and that the second lawyer missed. And I think you have something called reflex sympathetic dystrophy," which is, I guess, a medical way or a fancy way of saying you have something serious going on. And I think everybody's missing it, sir, and I'm sorry. And I think if you'd like some help, I'll be happy to help you. But the first thing I have to do is get you away from the doctors that you were sent to. So if you're comfortable with that and will allow me to do that, I will get to the bottom of it. I will find out if, in fact, you have what I suspect that you have. Because if you do, the value that these other lawyers are telling you, they're just plain wrong. They're just wrong. Not only that, but you need to get better, and you need to find out what's going on, because if the diagnosis that they're giving you, which it was on his knee, is just a tear in the knee, and you have RSD and they perform surgery on your knee, you will wish to God you were never born. So you need to find this out first. And he said to me, "Okay, David." So we signed the paperwork. I got him to a doctor. Sure enough, it was found that he had RSD, reflex sympathetic dystrophy. Not only did the doctors that we sent him to figure it out, but the insurance company sent them to their own doctor, and their own doctor was located at the University of Miami. And their own doctor said, "We agree, he has reflex sympathetic dystrophy." So that same case that settled for, or would have settled for $50,000 or $60,000, settled for over $850,000. Not only that, but he also got a diagnosis of what was wrong, and he got treatment, which is the most important thing. The money is great, but knowing what you have and getting treatment is beautiful, because had he gotten the surgery, he would have been terrible, absolutely terrible. So that's what we do, is we help people not only money-wise, but we also try to get to the root of their problem with the appropriate medical providers.